Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my newest video. Thank you for clicking on it. So today, sorry about the really bad lighting. Well, it's not too bad, but it's bad. It's 9:06 at night. So I just thought I'm going to do like a putty / slime video, like my collection. So yeah, and I might be adding some glitter, and I also have some contact solution on hand because these are from a couple months ago. Yay! Not all of them, some of them. Let me see. Not all of them are. Some of them are like from last week. So I'm going to start with my putties because I only have two. And these are my big ones. I didn't pull out all my little ones because I have a lot of little ones. But I will do a putty collection. And also all my other big ones are at my mom's. So my first big one, and I only have two. My first big one is Fun Putty Pull and Stretch with Magnet. So I actually forgot to grab the magnet. But, yeah, 1 second. It's the magnetic putty. So, here's my magnet. I had to grab it off the fridge. This one's a little harder to open. Maybe not. Maybe we won't be opening this one. Okay, maybe we will. I'm not sure. It was in my... There we go. It's just not melted to the top, but stuck to the top. So this is what it looks like. Guys, I did not fart. That was the chair. I'm sorry. Okay, this is like super smooth too. Oh, I love the way it stretches. Okay, so I love the feeling of this. And I need a way stronger magnet, so just don't mind them. And it's super stretchy. It's super weird feeling. And once I get to probably around 20 subscribers, maybe a little bit more, maybe 30, I'm gonna start doing giveaway for slimes. And once I get to 1,000 or 500 or something around the hundreds of subscribers, I'm going to start giving away phones and laptops and all that kind of jazz. And probably gallons of glue and stuff. So, better get tuned. Be tuned for that. So, share this video so all your friends can see it. And maybe you can get... Oh, and I also be getting... Once I start doing the giveaways, then I'm going to start getting merch and stuff. So, yeah. Okay. So... It's still kind of hard. I was trying to soften it out while I was talking. But it's still kind of hard. But super stretchy. Look at how... This is, really pretty. There's sparkles in it, too. I'm trying to, Can't really focus up on it. But as you can see, it's very shiny. And now, the moment of truth. You can only have, a little bit of putty. That's the only bad part. This is literally how much putty you will pull. You even have to start it off for it. Okay. I have to start it out. It's magnetic. Because it's magnetic. Oh, wait, no. Okay, it's magnetic. Well, it's not that strong, but okay. It won't hang by. Look at it. It's magnetic. That's all I can say. Yay. Okay. It's so hard. Okay. I just fix the container because the container's metal. Okay, this is a really fun putty. It's called Amazing Putty. It's a laser putty. This is really fun. And also a fun fact about this one. If you put this on the window when it's winter time or something, or when it's cold, it turns purple. So it's kind of like a color changing one and a laser one. It's pretty cool. So I have to get the laser out. The laser melts in. And I don't know why. So here's the putty. I accidentally colored it, so try to push that down, but it didn't really work. You guys can still see it. Okay, well, here it is, and this one is softer, or normally softer. I don't know what was happening with it. But yes, the laser really works, and I will be showing you that. So, I'm going to lower you guys. There we go. Okay, let's move the containers. So, as you guys can see, sorry if you guys can't see that well. I can't see what I'm doing right now because the camera's flipped over. Okay, ready? Can you guys see that? Okay, now I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to write a message. See, look at it. And it's very faint, and you can even touch the laser to it, and it's better. Look how much better that is. Yay! And when you mix it in, it's still white. It doesn't tint purple, which that's the really good part. So, yay. 1 second, sorry. My tripod's not working. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let's put this one away. They're all really fun. So I have a little bit of a cold. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm probably going to do maybe smallest to biggest. I'm not sure because a lot of them are in bags. But my first slime is this state slime. So these are white foam beads, are supposed to be. They kind of tinted green. And then the slime's green, so Michigan State. So let's open it up. And it's in a little container. It's really cute. So let's poke it. There's like a... Did you hear that, guys? This is phloem, by the way, if you guys didn't know. It's really cute. It's really cute. And it's not sticky. And I've 2 more of these little containers. So you can buy this once, because I'm saving these for my slime giveaway. You can buy, no, you can't buy it. You can enter the giveaway and you can win. A couple people from my school already won the giveaway. So actually, I'll shout out to them, Lance and Carly, and I'll leave Carly's YouTube channel in the description below. So, and Lance doesn't have a YouTube channel that I know of. So yeah, and Lance is a boy, Carly's a girl, by the way. So yeah, this is really cute slime. So let's do a ASMR. So yeah. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's make this into a swirl. Making it into a swirl, guys. Okay. Well, that's the best I can do with tiny slime. So yeah, that was slimy ASMR for that one. And I'm actually, my camera battery's low. It was just beeping at me. So I'm gonna try to do this fast. I'm only gonna take a little bit out of the bags. So this one's a little bit of a hard slime. I tried adding gel into it, but it didn't really work. It's loud. So this is what it looks like. And it's hard. That's all I can say. So this one will not be sold on my Etsy shop. Not on my I'm going to have an Etsy shop though, I will. But it's not going to be sold on that. I don't think. Okay, well, this is really good cloud slime. Let's see if it's still good. Oh, yeah. Oh. Cloud slime. So I'll take a little bit out. This is really good. And guys, I will... Never mind. I was going to say I'm going to meet and greet. But that's until I get enough subscribers. So... Okay, so we have this really cute cloud slime. It's so cute. We're going to do some quick ASMR. I have to keep on flipping the camera, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Okay, that's good enough. So that's the ASMR. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to poke it, crunch it, and then I'm going to put it away. So this is my really good cloud slime. I love it. This will probably be in one of my giveaways once I do my giveaway. Oh, okay. So this is just an original slime, I think, or it's a glossy slime. By the looks of it, it's an original. Yeah, it's an oh no, it's a thick slime. Guys, I know my slimes by feel. If you're one of those people, comment down below, like, your name. Or just say hi or something. Okay. Well, let's do some ASMR. Okay, so this is my pretty good thick slime. I think I've done better, but it's good. And just to let you guys know, I don't feel like moving the camera again, so just to let you guys know, I will be having, me and my friend are making a slimatory. Yeah. And go check out our channel. It's called SA Slimes. So yeah. Okay. Now let's get into this video before the camera dies. There might be a part 2, just to let you guys know. Let's see, how many slimes have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a part 2. I'll just make it uneven a little bit. So yeah, this is gonna be part 1 of my slimes. And I'm actually going to do this really hard one real quick before I end this video because I kind of like just feel like doing another slime. So I might as well do a hard one and a useless one. I don't even know why I'm getting this out, honestly. Like, I don't have any of the bags left. Like, it's supposed to be like a butter thick slime, which doesn't work out. And I also overactivated. That's especially why it didn't work out. It has every single glitter that in my collection in it. So that's kind of like a waste of glitter, but you know. And plus it's Adriana's collection, so sorry Adriana. She's gonna kill me, isn't she? Okay, there we go. That's just like fun to poke in the packaging. And you can, so, thank you for watching my video. Go check out Carly's channel, and my cousin's channel. And also you can buy slime packages from me. And I will be making a P.O. box. So you guys can send me fan mail. And soon I'll be like letting you guys buy squishy packages from me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for clicking on it. Bye!